Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 61 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge. And today in this video we are going to look at how to create histograms with the help of our Matplotlib package. So in order to create a histogram we use our function hist. So first we need some values to create an histogram, and that's why I have also imported my numpy package. So let's create a list A, and in which I'm going to use my numpy and a random module, and I'm importing the randint function, and I want the values from 1 to 100, and I want 50 values. And now when I check for my array A, and here they are, these contains 50 values here. And now I need to create a histogram, so I use the function hist, plt.hist, and here firstly I will pass in my list A, and here I got it. This is my histogram. So in order to get rid of these three lines, I will use my show function, and yeah, here it is. So in order to differentiate the bars, let's use the function. In order to differentiate these bars, let's use the keyword arguments edge color, and I'm changing it to red, and here they are. So by default the parameter bins has the value 10. So what is a bin here? A bin is nothing but the number of bars here. So by default we have 10 bars, and we can also change that with the help of parameter bins and change to, let's say, 20, and here it is. So now let's say you don't want to use the edge color keyword argument, and still you want to differentiate the bins. So in order to do that, we can use the parameter r width, which is the relative width. So r width, by default it is 1, and let's change it to 0.93 maybe. And yeah, now you can see that there's a bit gap between each and every bar. And we also have a parameter named hist type. So by default the histogram type is the bars, so we can change it to step 2, which will give a step like plot. So I'm changing it to step, and here it is. Let's change it to 15 maybe, because we have some bars with empty values too. Yeah, here this is cool. And you have noticed that in the last video on creating the bar plots, we have used separate functions for creating a normal bar plot and a horizontal bar plot. But in histograms that is not the case. Rather we can use a parameter to change the vertical histogram to a horizontal one. So in order to do that, we use the parameter orientation, and we will set it to horizontal, and here it is. Even in our histograms we can use our bottom parameter, so let's do it. Let me remove this and use the bottom parameter, and let's set it to maybe 4, and here it is. Our bottom starts from 4 here. By default we have 10 bins, so in order to change the bottom for each bins, we can also pass a list of 10 values, or rather we can change the bins to a smaller number. Let's say bins equals 3, and now I'm going to pass in a separate list of values of 3 values for my bottom. Let's say 6, 8 and 4, and now here we can see that the bottom value for my third bar is 4, and the bottom value for my second bar is 8, and my first bar is 6. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at how to create histograms, and we played around with the other parameters in our histograms. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.